Let's do a Thermomix open box video. But please, let me add a quick story right before. You may have been thinking about buying a Thermomix for quite some time. You were going to hit that button, but then you waited another month and another month. Ooh, should I, shouldn't I? Or maybe you saw a Thermomix on a video or on a demo and you said, I must have this. And you went for it. Whichever the case, once you clicked that button, you got really excited. It's on its way. Let me show you how I think everything went. And please, let's give a huge thank you to my husband for putting up with my requests. Here we go. So, was your story a little bit like that? I hope so. Let's open the box. Yes, yes. Woohoo! I got the cover. Okay, so this is my gift to myself. And ta-da! There's a box within the box. So once again, you will need your feet. Ah! There we go. And now, here we have another box. It's very protected.
Yep.
Okay, a little bit more. So here we have the Varoma and a few accessories. We'll look into those in a little bit. Then we have the instructions, but I'll help you with that as well. Here we have a cover, and here's the Thermomix. Let me grab it for you. Ta-da! Here we are. Let's get comfy on a table and I'll show you all the steps. Okay, let's get rid of this bag. Whoa, so beautiful. Here we have the Thermomix, the instructions, and here let me get all the accessories. Whee. So we're going to plug it. You can pull the cord all the way to the red tape, or you can hide a little bit inside. However it fits in your kitchen. Now I'm going to pull the whole thing anyway, and I'm going to plug it in, and let's turn it on. We just need to press the button. While it's turning on, I'm going to take these little plastics out of the way because you are mine now. All right, so it is turning on right now. In the meantime, let's open all these gifts. Okay, so now it is restarting. You need to let it do all the updates that it needs. And it finally opened here. That's perfect because now we get one more accessory out of the way. Here we are. So here we have the Thermomix ready. So now it's asking us to choose our language. Now remember, if you speak more than one language, choose one here, the one that you want the unit to be in, but you can still choose a lot of recipes in different languages. For example, I'm going to choose English here, but in my recipes, I'll have Spanish as well. Let me choose English here, US. There we go. And then we click next. And now it's asking for country of origin. Where do you live? I live in the US. Perfect. We go to the next step and it's asking us to choose a network. So you just need to set up your Wi-Fi from home. Just click search, look at the network available, choose one and enter your password. I'm not going to enter it right now, and you can do that while you're watching the video. Then you can read the safety instructions. They are in the book, they're here on the screen, and I'm going to tell you about a few of them. Many of these safety instructions are reminding you that you are cooking hot meals. And the items you're using will get hot. You will also see these two slides asking you not to overfill the bowl or the simmering basket. It is very important that you always have the bowl base and the blades locked correctly. Never set the Thermomix close to a heat source. And of course, please read the safety instructions yourself as they come up on your screen. Let me give you a few more initial tips. Now that your Thermomix is out of the box, we need to find a place for it in your kitchen. Please choose a flat surface that is away from a heat source, not under a kitchen cabinet, at least when you're steaming, not to damage your cabinets, and not too close from the edge of your countertop, especially when you use the kneading mode. In that case, please be around because the Thermomix likes to dance when it's kneading. Yes, it goes and it dances a little bit. Please never drag the Thermomix Thermomix. If you don't like it here and you want to move it, always grab it with one hand on the handle and the other hand on the base, and you lift it like this and you choose the position. Now I want it here, or now I want it here, but never ever drag it. You wouldn't drag a computer, right? So please do not drag your Thermomix.
Yep.
To turn it on, you just press the knob once. To turn it off, you just do a long press, and you see how the screen says it's shutting down now? Wait until the screen goes dark and until you hear poof, like a computer when it shuts down, and do not unplug it until then. If you don't do this, the next time you turn on the Thermomix, you will see a message saying that it was turned off unexpectedly. And all the safety instructions will come up again, which I encourage you to read. Also, before you get started, please wash the bowl and all the accessories, and I'm going to peel this film as well. You are mine! Let me name the accessories one last time for you. Here we have the bowl and the bowl lid, and here you have the measuring cup. This is the simmering basket. This is the butterfly. This is the splash guard. Here we have the spatula, and here we have the Varoma dish, the Varoma tray, and the Varoma lid. Your consultant or me, or maybe one of my videos will show you what to do with this. But today we're just doing the basic setup, so I just want to name them. All right, so you are set up. Now we have one more thing. Before the Thermomix arrives, I advise you to go to CookyDo.thermomix.com and open an account. CookyDo is the recipe platform that you're going to use to cook the guided recipes. So you can get an account as soon as you order your Thermomix. You get 1 month for free on download, and as soon as you have a Thermomix and you log in with your account, you get 3 more months for free. After that, it's $65 a year, which is an amazing deal for the amount of recipes that they keep adding and adding and adding every month. If after the 4 months you don't want to use CookyDo, you don't have to. You can also use it manually, or you can use the last 100 recipes cooked, because your unit will remember those 100. Here, we're going to go to the settings, and here's where you're going to see your CookyDo account. You can log in with your account, put your password, and ta-da! Now you're logged in your Thermomix. So this was the basic setup of a Thermomix. If you have a consultant, they're on their way, right, to give you a welcome service to get you cooking. But it's a good thing if you already did all of this, because sometimes the software updates can take 20 to 30 minutes, and you don't want your consultant sitting there in their kitchen waiting for the Thermomix to be ready, right? So get it out of the box, plug it in, get the softwares going, log into your Wi-Fi and log into your CookyDo, and then yes, you can have your consultant come over or call you on video and teach you all the tips and tricks that you'll need to use your Thermomix. Now, there's a chance you might be watching this video, but you might not have a Thermomix yet. In that case, I need to remind you one more time, please always buy from a consultant. If you have one, please give them a call right now. Their link will give you free shipping, and they will be there to help you with so many tips and tricks. Using a Thermomix is easy, but it's better when you learn from the passionate user.
Yep.
If you don't have a consultant, I'm here for you. Of course, you can contact me right here, or you can use my purchase link. Yes, with free shipping as well. It's in the comments. But please contact me anyway. That way I can provide the welcome service for you and get you cooking. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.